I am going to show you how to review a student's gradebook if you have any questions. So on the left side, you are going to select gradebook. When you're in the gradebook, you can go ahead and put the student's name in. And in here, this is the entire gradebook for the student. The first one is going to be appointments by series. You're going to see that this student has several appointments that she has put into her Upscale. You'll see the date that it started, and then if the student has completed the patient, you'll see treatment completed. So this student has completed a Calc Level 2. She has completed, or he has completed a Calc Level 3 and calculus detection technique. So everything is in here that this student has completed. It also has these. So it says Calculus 2, treatment started, but there's no completed treatment date. Then this means that this patient is not done. So the student still needs to complete this. So this gives us an idea of, how many patients has the student completed and how many outstanding patients do they still need to complete. The appointments by clinic level, this will, if you wanted to take a look at here, they have clinic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So say we're in clinic 3, we're going to click on clinic 3, and then this is going to tell you how many patients this student has completed. But take a look up here. It will show that the overall here, this patient or this person has seen 15 patients. The average score was 71%. The total points available for all patients were 144.56, and then the student only earned 103.909. So it will break it down for you for every single patient that this student has seen. So if you're wondering, like this patient right here, this Calc Level 2, the student only earned a 72%. There was 8 errors, and there was 16 possible earned. And then here, this student, or this patient, the student got an 82%. So up here, what they do is they average out and create a patient encounter percentage. So however many patients the student sees, this will be the overall percentage that the student will receive for patient encounters. So it kind of breaks it down for you. Calculus worksheet. If you wanted to take a look at this, they'll have, clinical theory 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you click on this, then it kind of gives you an idea of how many patients they've seen, and then it kind of breaks it down to where is the student missing most of their calculus. Is it sub? Is it supra? And so that gives you a little bit of an idea to have a good understanding of where the student's, calculus detection is. For radiographs, this will be all the radiographs that the student has completed for that semester. And it's probably taking a while because I'm sure student 2020 has completed quite a few x-rays. So we'll go into clinic 3, and then you will see all of the x-rays that the student has completed. We don't do anything with radiographic anatomy, so you don't have to worry about that. For radiographic interpretation, we don't really do anything for that. For the PAN, for this one, this is an overall radiology grade. So if you wanted to know like where they were, this student's overall radiology grade is at 82%. So that's what that means. The assessment comps by clinical level, we'll say we're in clinic 3. This will tell you exactly what the student has completed thus far. Okay, so I'm going to come out of that. So you can see that this student has done their varnish, they've done their sharpening. So it will tell you how many competencies they've completed, and it will tell you exactly which one, how much they were scored at. Assessment and comps. This just gives a list of all competencies that the student has completed. So this student has completed through all of her educational career at in her clinics, through clinic 1 through 5. These are everything that she has completed. So you can go back through here and see what they have completed. So the assessments here in comps by clinic level, you can do it by level. Or if you want to know over the entire journey of clinic 1 through clinic 5, then you would use this tab. So that just kind of gives you an idea of what the gradebook looks like. I hope this has helped.